Chris, what did we just find out with our giant sunflower head? As what? 55 what?
Seed planting?
Squirrels? 55 squirrels. We marked every other one so it's easier to count. So 55 going in that direction. Should we see how many go the other way? Beatrix, how many rows are going the opposite swirl direction? 89. Is 89 a Fibonacci number? Yes, it is. So this sunflower has 55 in one direction and 89 in the other direction. Nature is amazing. It packs in as much as it can in that small space. Look at nature doing its thing. Just roll with your whole hand.
This one's harder because how tiny it is. You gotta. This is so fun.
Easy.
For human. It's very plain. Wait, is it poisonous? I mean, it's not.
Why would I have you guys eat something that's poisonous?
Because I just ate one.